Do you want to know what's great about LinkedIn? You can actually add your personal pronouns on your profile. And do you want to know what's better? You get an option whether you want to do it or not. So, this great new addition to the platform allows you to introduce yourself to your network before they even meet you. So, this can be done virtually, obviously. So, when you meet them face to face, they're already clued in to your pronouns. So, let me go through what it takes in order to update and change your pronouns. So you're going to start at the home page, and I'll just walk you straight through it. You start at your home page. You can either use this face on top, or you can use the face on the side to get to your actual profile. Once you get to your profile, you're going to hit this pencil right on top. It's going to open up your profile area for you. You go down to pronouns, and you can choose between she/her, he/him, they/them, or you can customize it to your liking and add it right here. Now, if you choose not to include your pronouns, you can always just press select and it will take everything away from you. So she/her is what I select. You can toggle this between having only your connections see this or everyone in LinkedIn to see this, okay? Comment below, let me know what your gender pronouns are, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, to like. If you have any questions whatsoever, reach out. I'm more than happy to help. Thank you so much.